In this video, I'll show you how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. By that, I mean that the terms that are in the denominator it's not a monomial. It's a two-term or more polynomial. So to do this, we're going to have to use long division. So first, let me review with you numerical long division. Let's say I have 12 divided into 537. In order to do this, I first just divide 12 into 53. So I divided. Now I need to multiply. 4 times 12 is 48. Now I need to subtract. When I subtract, I get 5, and then I bring down the 7. So I divided first, then I multiplied, then I subtracted, and then I brought down. And now I have to repeat. So I'll start over and go back and divide again. 12 into 57 is another 4 times. 4 times 12 is 48. When I subtract this time, I get a 9. Now, since 12 won't go into 9, I have to write that 44 remainder 9, or 44 and 9/12, which reduces to 44 and 3/4. Now, this means 44 plus 3/4. And in order to do this polynomial, I have to remember about this plus, because we need to put the plus sign before our remainder if we have one. All right, so I'm going to use long division. X plus 1 divided into 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. And I'm going to use the same set of steps over here, same process. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at the x and divide x into 2x squared. We'll go 2x times, because 2x times x is 2x squared. Now I need to keep multiplying. This 2x has to also be multiplied by this 1, so that's a plus 2x. Now I have to subtract, like I subtracted over here. Well, to subtract, I have to remember to subtract both of these terms. So I'm just going to change both of these signs so I can remember I'm subtracting them both. 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Minus 5x plus negative 2x, or minus 5x minus 2x, is minus 7x. And now that I've subtracted, I bring down the minus 3. And I have to divide again. X into negative 7x is minus 7. I've got to multiply the minus 7 times both of these terms in my divisor. So that's going to be minus 7 times x, minus 7x, minus 7 times plus 1, minus 7. And in order to subtract, I have to subtract them both. So I'm going to be subtracting a negative and subtracting a negative. So I need to change both of these signs. That's going to be 0. Then minus 3 plus 7 is 4. So my remainder is 4. Now to properly write this remainder, I have to put a plus sign and the 4 over my divisor, x plus 1. So when 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is divided by x plus 1, we get 2x minus 7 plus 4 over x plus 1.